Good morning, students. My name is Dr. D.Raghu, Ramulu, working as a lecturer in botany, Government College Environment, Kurnool. Today, we will discuss about nitrogen cycle. Nitrogen cycle. Nitrogen is very essential for the growth and development of the organism. The nitrogen cycle can be defined as the process by which nitrogen is transformed between its forms. Between its forms means nitrogen exists in the form of atomic nitrogen, nitrates, ammonia, like this. That is, transformation between one form to another form is called nitrogen cycle. 78% of the atmosphere contain nitrogen. So, nitrogen is the major gas present in the atmosphere. And nitrogen is the main ingredient in nucleic acids, proteins, vitamins, etc. So, nitrogen is very essential for the life process. And in 1891, Vinogradsky discovered the importance of nitrogen in agricultural crops. In the year 1891, Vinogradsky discovered the importance of nitrogen in agricultural crops. In the year 1897, M.W. Bezering discovered the symbiotic relation of Rhizobium bacterium with legume plants for nitrogen fixation. That is, biological nitrogen fixation was discovered by M.W. Bezering in the year 1897. Though nitrogen is present in huge amounts in the atmosphere, it is not useful for the air plants because nitrogen is having triple bonds. To break this triple bond, we need 600 degrees centigrade, and these higher plants do not have any facility or enzymes to break these bonds and to prepare nitrogenous products. So that is the main reason. For that, we have to add externally nitrogen fertilizer for the crops. There are so many forms of nitrogen, that is atomic nitrogen, N2, nitrite, NO2, nitrates, and ammonia. And there are 5 stages of nitrogen cycle. The one is nitrogen fixation. Nitrogen fixation means making the atomic nitrogen into available nitrogen. Since this nitrogen is not useful for the plants, so to make these unavailable nitrogen to available nitrogen, that is called nitrogen fixation. Nitrogen fixation, again, it is 3 types. One is biological nitrogen fixation. Biological nitrogen fixation is mediated by the microorganisms. Again, it is 2 types: free living biological nitrogen fixation and symbiotic. Here, symbiotic means, again, some rhizobium bacteria, they live symbiotically with legume plants, and some cyanobacteria such as nostoc and anabina, they fix atmospheric nitrogen by living symbiotically either with azolla or cycas plants, that's all. And second one is physico-chemical reactions. Here, at the time of lightnings, at a higher temperature, nitrogen is either combined with oxygen or hydrogen. If nitrogen combined with oxygen, they form nitrates. And if nitrogen combined with hydrogen, we can observe formation of ammonium. And third one is industrial. So in industry, by exposing this nitrogen for high pressure and temperature, nearly 600 degrees centigrade, these nitrogenous products are prepared. At the higher temperature only, we can break triple bond. And second one is assimilation. So the fixed nitrogen is absorbed by plants either in form of nitrates or ammonia. After absorbing nitrates or ammonia, plants can prepare different amino acids or proteins, nucleic acids, etc. That comes under assimilation, means utilization of nitrogenous products and to make different nitrogenous products by the plants. From plants, these nitrogen products are transformed to animals. Third stage is ammonification. After death of plants and animals, these microorganisms, fungi and bacteria, they decompose the plant and animal debris and they decompose that organic product into ammonia. That is mediated by the microorganisms by the process of decomposition, that is ammonification. Formation of dead materials, formation of ammonia from the dead materials of plant animals by the microorganisms is called ammonification. And fourth one is nitrification. The formed ammonia is gradually converted to nitrates and nitrates. By it, this reaction is mediated by some bacteria such as nitrobacter, nitrosomonas, like that. So that is nitrification. Nitrification means formation of nitrites and nitrates from ammonia is called nitrification. Fifth step is denitrification. The formed nitrates and nitrates, they gradually converted to atomic nitrogen, and this atomic nitrogen again reach to the environment, that is atmosphere. That is the diagram. That is the atmospheric nitrogen. Atmospheric nitrogen is fixed by the symbiotic process through the legume plants, and also some free living organisms, bacteria such as nitrosomonas, nitrobacter. These free living bacteria also fix atmospheric nitrogen into nitrogenous products. This is symbiotic nitrogen fixation by root nodules of legume plants. This is free living nitrogen fixation by the nitrosomonas, nitrobacter, Deserintia, like that. So here one more method is physicochemical method. During lightning at the high temperature and thunder period, when nitrogen is combined with hydrogen, we can ammonia is formed. This is reduction of nitrogen. When nitrogen is combined with hydrogen, ammonia is formed. And oxidation of nitrogen is also observed at lightnings. So nitrogen plus oxygen gives rise to, this is nitrous oxide. When nitrous oxide is again combined with oxygen, it can form into nitrogen peroxide. Nitrogen peroxide, when dissolved in water, it is nitric acid form. Nitric acid or nitrous oxide or nitrogen peroxide, they reach the soil. These are absorbed by the roots of higher plants, and these plants, they prepare food materials by using these nitrogenous product. The nitrogen product present in the plant, they gradually transfer to the animals. After decay of plant and animals by the microorganisms, again ammonia is formed. From ammonia, nitrates form. From nitrates, they give, or from nitrates are formed. From nitrates, again it is converted to molecular nitrogen. This molecular nitrogen again reach the atmosphere. This is a nitrogen cycle. Okay. Thank you.